way. Move this way. Hold this spot, guys. Hold this spot, guys.
Can you tell Mom to bring it from home?
Move. Run up, Chris. Run up, Chris. Yeah, Chris. Up. Chris, you're back. Miles up. Robbie, fine.
Well, who's here? Who's on this side?
Let's go.
Rebound! Go.
Stop, stop. Get back. Get back.
Why? You had the shot right there.
Luka, why are you passing up an open shot? Sean, Marco, if they're pressing, why do we have two guys on the same side?
Three.
Who's got this side? It's side, middle, side, safety, right? So why are you guys right next to each other? Sean, you're good? You're away? I'm asking you a question. Why are you with Marco running up the sideline? If they're in a press, you're basically bailing. Hey, what's up? How are you?
As everyone goes on. But the lighting brings right back to so much it's not used to be.
Get back. Find your man. Talk. Pack on.
It's probably been like 7 years. Just no, I didn't originally.
Oh, no.
Travel.
Hey, that's two.
Here. Look at me.
Stop, come in. Stop.
With him.
Why doesn't he
Iman's
just pass
up.
him the
Iman's
ball?
up. Good job, Iman. Good job, Iman.
Look up. Be patient. Find the gap. Find the shot. Cut. Look at the cutter.
Like that. Off.
Get it, Sean. Get back, Sean. Talk. I don't hear you guys. Trey, your guys are on the ball. Why aren't you the pass on? Two passes away, Luka. You're 2 passes away.
Tough shot, Liam.
Throw it. Get back, straight, get back. Sean, you're back, pack on. Why are we outside the 3?
Let's go.
Sean, you're 2 passes away, right? So why aren't you in the middle, midline? Now you're on it. Hand up, one hand up.
Get up. Good, Chris.
Back up.
There you go, Chris. There you go. Look at him. Mismatch, Chris. Get back there.
Rebound.
Jake, Ronnie. Get up. Chris, you back. Good D.
Luka, protection and turning and chasing. Look at Keon. Go, Keon. Go, hit him.
Go to the hoop.
Get back.
Go, Trey. Go, Luka. Go, Sean. Good, Luka. Good. Control the game. Let's go. Good, Luka. Good, Sean. Look at Keon. Hit him.
Back up. There you go, Trey.
Get back. Hustle back. Where's the help? I don't hear you. You're too high. You're 2 passes away. Luka, you're 2 passes away.
Rebound, Marco.
Go, throw it. Get it. Be smart, Luka, be smart.
Oh, right back. Oh, my God.
Patience, find it. Shoot that, Luka. You pass up an easy shot to make it difficult.
On the heels, go!
Luka, why aren't you in pass line?
Nice, Marco.
Jake.
Luka, 43. You're standing up here. So now there's a big gap in the middle of our defense. when you're open, you're passing up an open shot and driving.
Get up! Push your back! Push your back!
You're already starting too low. You're already starting too low. That's the problem. Middle, don't bail on him. Go, Keon. Cut.
Good shot, Marco.
Follow your shot, Marco.
He has the whole length to drive.
Pass. Cut to the hoop, please.
No baseline. No
Cut.
baseline. Marco, why don't you drive?
Go.
You had the lane.
Go. Sub.
Come on, Ryan.
You find your man. Call your man right now, guys. Find the man.
Zoom Keon. Trey, line up with Luca. Go hard. Go.
Right there.
Back to Keon.
Jack, you got three guys. Jack, you got three guys.
Come on, Trey. Come on, Trey. Good. Get back. Good hustle, Ryan.
Find your man. Get in front of your man. See the ball. No baseline, Keon. Force it to the middle. I don't hear you
Pass,
guys.
cut. Pass, cut.
Rebound. Go. Look up. Follow him. Good job, Luca. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Hands up.
Keon. Trey.
I got two. Go.
Rebound.
Good shot.
Back. Hustle back. Hustle back. Luca, get in.
Yeah. It's almost like harder because
Ball.
harder to
Two
pay
passes
attention.
away.
Yeah. And feels like there's so many more moving parts.
Yeah. And things that you expect to happen. So, like, oh, that's
And like people like to take it seriously, whereas like it's really like the maroon goons, like trolling, you know. The only hard part over there is that like sometimes we get a kid who's just like a hothead and just like
I get super hot, right?
dude, they don't care.
Right, sit down. Take a rest. Sit down. Take a rest. Let's go. Guys, you're playing amazing. Just keep it up. You guys hear me? You're being patient, but you're also being aggressive. Defense, we're always aggressive. Offense, we're aggressive, but we gotta recognize when it's not there, pass it. Take the lane, you take the shot. Don't pass up an open shot. Ball goes up, everybody needs to press. Everybody got that? You guys are playing great tonight. Let's go. Keep on playing hard. Let's go. Team on three.
Team on three. 1, 2, 3. Team.
Here we go, y'all.
You see where I am? And then break.
Red, bring it in.
Zoom Keon, Luca, go, straight, elbow, go. Marco, Brian, opposite. Go, Marco, look at Marco.
Good job. Follow him. Go!
Pass it.
Get back. Good Jack.
Be a pass.
With Chris. Good shot.
Look up, hit him. Go hard. Kick it.
Shoot it.
Trey, don't pass up the shot. Look at the cutter. Cut, Luca.
Good.
Play it. Pass it to Keon. Cut, Marco. Go, Keon. Take it. You got 1-on-1.
There you go.
Get back. Hurry up. Pack line. Get in the three. You're 2 passes away, Trey. You should be at the midline.
Watch the screen.
Shoot away, Robbie. Shoot away.
No one's go. Hit him.
1 minute.
Luca.
You got it, Iman. You got it, Iman. Go.
Why?
Iman, look right, look right, look right.
Get up on it.
Chris, up there.
I don't hear you guys.
You win, you win, Iman. Leave, get up.
Rebound. Go. Pull it out. No one there.
All right, Ryan. Good. Good, Ryan.
Guys, we're running.
Sub,
Number 9. Number 9. Some come in.
Trey, Luca here. Here.
real.
Hard. Go hard.
30 seconds.
That's it.
On you guys.
Timeout.
Timeout, Red.
They wipe out after the halftime. They don't roll over and
No.
Guys, bring it in. Let's go. Sit down.
You guys have no more for the half.
Guys,
You guys are out for the half to get 2 more in the second half.
Thank you.
you're taking it out. You are going to go opposite block. Who else is this? Raise your hand. You're going to go opposite elbow.
Super
Actually,
happy to
opposite
carry
wing
on.
here.
They're
Opposite
okay.
wing
Yeah.
here. You're opposite block here. You're starting in the corner. Luca, you're inbound. One up.
Here we go, Ray. Let's go.
You're going to inbound it. Oh no, I'm sorry. You're going to inbound it to him. When he sets a screen on his guy, look for him cutting.
Go, Ray.
He's inbounding it. He's setting the screen for his guy. Go.
Come on, let's go. What I say? Fight through the screen.
Go, Trey. Get it out of the corner. Hold for one. 5 out.
Right there.
5 out. Hold for one.
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're good. Every time you catch the ball, you're kind of just like, I don't know. Why are you catching in the corner and holding? You've been doing that a lot. Pick up. Keith, you're in for
One more for the half, coach.
was that?
2 more for the half. Come on.
Okay.
Red coming in.
Sean, you're in for Ryan. Let's go. We're staying in the man. Continue playing hard. Let's go. Bring it in.
Team on 3.
Bring it in.
1, 2.
Let's go.
No.
Team on 3. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team.
Come on, boys.
Red, stop.
I got 2.
Red, ball out. Red, take the ball out.
Take the block, Keon. Luca, there. Keon, Trey, there. Set it for Luca.
Let's go, guys. Come
Luca,
on.
look for the screen. Go, Trey. Go now. Go, Luca.
Fight through the screen. Here we go.
Put it in the pocket. Be patient. Let's go. 5 out. Pass and cut. Set a screen. Play basketball. Let's go.
There you go, Trey.
All right, just wait a minute. I'll get you back. Trey, watch the passes. Let's go. Why are we talking?
Come on, Sean. Grab it.
Go.
Let's go. Come on.
Nice, Sean.
What kind of pass is that? The basket's that way. Why are you throwing it in the corner? Lead him to the basket.
I got ball.
Run it again,
Ball.
run it
If
again.
you're not talking, you're coming out.
Quick.
Nice job, Lucas and Liam.
Keith.
Where is 35? Hit.
You saw him coming. I'm talking to you. You saw him coming, so why did you leave? You just walked away.
Try, Lucas.
You guys spoke, right? You're gonna keep. You told him? I didn't hear you. I was about to. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade.
Take the basket.
No, Marco's gonna shoot.
John, Chris. Chris back. Everybody else up. Everybody else up. Hate you up.
Sean, I can't have 12 bad passes. Look up. Look up.
Good save.
And one!
Basket. Number 9. Hit. One shot.
Good trade.
So.
Let's go. Come on. You gotta clean up the passing. We can't go every pass counts. I work on hustle.
Come on, Keith.
Gotta clean up the passing. Get back! Hustle! Run! Who's got ball?
I got 2.
Talk! You're 2 passes away, right, Keith? You can get the big line. Force him to the middle. Rebound. Look up. Work it. Put it in the pocket. Go.
Stop ball. Stop ball. Good Jack. Good Jack.
Shoot that. Get back. Get back. Get back. Ball. Ball. Get it to a guard. Eat. Get it to a guard. Get it to a guard. Good rebounding, Keith.
Jack.
Guys, you gotta let him see you. See the ball. Get in the paint. Get in the paint.
Pretty chill we get into it. I'm just so scared of an accident.
Where's the help? I don't
It's
hear
crazy
you.
to think that like I was 1 year older than these kids right now. And I was like dunking on people. I caught an alley
Stop.
on
You stay
something.
up. Chris, you back.
Because these kids are going into 8th, right? This is 8th. It'd be like yeah, so I was like I was end of 8th grade when I yeah, like during COVID.
Good shot.
Ryan.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
The funniest part is
Look
I
up,
was the same
score.
size, the same like height in 8th grade.
Yeah.
Like I haven't grown since. I'm trying to like imagine myself now versus like these kids. Like no wonder I was so good back then.
Hey, don't contest the 3. Walk the ball around. Let's go.
It taught me I could
Hold them up,
miss 5 shots and make it on the stage.
Yeah, you just got 5 rebounds on that play.
Yeah, stat padding.
5 shots.
No wonder I averaged 20 and 20 in high
Watch
school.
ball. Watch man.
Fireworks.
Rebound.
Well, early.
Good look, Robbie. Good shot, man. Red 2.
It was fun with the fireworks. Where do they come from, you know?
Yeah. The river goes down at night there, so they might just
No.
It's pretty consistent though. It isn't like it's, you know, once in a while. Next to every night.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just like a Wednesday thing.
Rebound. Box out. You
Chris,
cut
get
high.
back.
My
Wait.
friend
Get
told
back.
me he
Right,
didn't
look.
work on 4th
Go.
of July. I was like, is that even legal?
Chris, get back. Chris, get
My
back.
friend, not here, but like my friend from college who's PA.
Side middle. Where's my side? Ryan, no one's there to rebound for you, bud.
As a busboy, I was like,
Now, Lucas.
it does make sense. It's like, is it worth $10? Do you guys work on 4th of July or no? It's like public entities have to shut down. I'm pretty sure.
High, here.
Yeah, oh yeah, practice can do it.
High, here, Ryan, here. Break, go.
Man press, man press, man
The
press.
gym I go to, is open
Zoom,
week
Luca.
every single
Zoom, Luca. Go, Luca, look up here.
During COVID, I'm still working.
Good. Kick it, kick it.
These guys
Look
behind
up,
me.
hit him.
Come on, Luca!
Luca, he had a
Be a
basket.
pen. Be a pen. Good.
Oh yeah?
Luca.
No, we should not be pressing.
Guys, drop back, drop back, drop
Play
back.
everything.
Drop back, drop back, drop back.
Dad, get back, get back.
Drop.
Here,
Yeah,
here.
probably. My dad was over the code, so I knew
it up.
better. But when
Five
we were
out.
someone else, like,
67,
like, some of my
67,
friends, like, just coaches,
67.
I'd like drop plays on him. I want to go in now. I'm like, you're not going in. I had one friend who played soccer his whole life.
Good, Luca. Good, Marco. Ryan, great pass. Who's missing?
And so I caught it on a rebound. He was really just standing in the paint, the opposite paint. I caught it. I like one-handed, just like chucked like a quarterback pass right into his hands. It's on a fast break. I had 5 seconds. He could have got down. Did a push-up, got up, and just keeping right down. And he throws it over the back. Like, what are you doing? Got a lot better. We were talking every year. We're like, we're gonna join the league again. We're like, we don't want to. It's just the issue is 2 of my friends had surgery this summer. One of them moved away.
There you go,
2
Marco.
of them are college athletes. And
Talk.
are at
Go.
camp.
I got
And then like the rest of them either suck or
Help.
can't play. You know.
Right up,
So
right up, Chris.
Good, Ryan.
it would literally be
Back,
like
back.
it would be like me and like people that are like equivalent to Miller's team.
Be patient.
No one's trying to get me in this game. Yeah.
Good job,
There you go,
Ryan.
Ryan.
I remember.
Get back, get back. Guys, you gotta follow the shot.
35 of 39.
Pull
Yeah,
up.
probably.
Come on, get
He's
it.
like canceled somewhere though.
Liam, free
For
ball.
football.
Go,
Luca,
go,
You
go.
know,
Where's
Not
the help?
no, he
No
plays
baseline,
D1
Ryan,
football.
no
and COVID,
baseline.
so he has to
Towards
go
the
like
middle.
literally 2 weeks after the summer starts. He has to go
Rebound.
back.
Look
Summer
up.
training camp. He's back to 4th of July.
Good, go,
Oh!
He went fishing today and got like a huge fish. Gotta find it.
Oh yeah?
Get back, hurry up.
I got help.
Pull up.
1 minute.
Where's the midline? Where's the midline?
But he's fished like
Where's his help?
the size of his torso. He's a good D1 football player.
No
Good old
baseline.
man.
Middle.
Cut to the hoop.
We're doing a fishing trip this year
Marco,
for camp.
grab that.
Oh, really? That's fun.
Towards the middle. Where's his
Who's
help?
driving the buses now?
We actually have to rent
Oh,
Liam,
really?
post him up, quickly.
Because you guys used to be able to do a whole lot more.
Everybody back. Everybody
30
back.
seconds. Yeah, it used to be Mr.
Everybody
Gamley
back.
and Duke,
Everybody
right?
back.
And Miss
Who's
Restaurant.
got
Yeah.
Hold it there. 67.
And now, because I remember they used to
67.
go
Run with it,
to,
please.
they used to go to like Adventureland. They used to go to like that Freeport Rec Center to swim and stuff.
Yeah.
And then
Every
they
week.
started doing everything in house. Yeah.
Come on, Keon. Keon. That's 2. That's all I'm giving you. Entire game. 2.
That was partially why I left this. It's all the fun stuff. Like, I was just left with crappy parents. And also, the kids were so bad also that like they'd throw the balls over the fence and then complain that that was what do you supposed to do? So we just wound up playing wiffle ball every single day with like broken bats. It was like on the blacktop, 100 degrees. I was getting screwed up by parents. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing this again. Good?
I think
Boys back. Find your man. Find your dude. Find your dude. Find your dude.
The fact that you guys are even doing that.
Go.
You good, Chris? You good, Chris?
9, 8,
Go,
7,
Marco. Go to the middle.
6,
Just go. Just go,
5,
Marco.
4, 3.
Good, Marco. Keon, take it out. Trey. Go that way. Wherever Keon is, blow it. Syracuse. Marco, ball side elbow. Wait for it. Trey, what are we in? Shoot it.
2, 1.
Guys, everything matters. We're in Syracuse. What are we doing? What are you doing?
Let's do it. Come on. You know the drill. Let's go. You know this. Let's go.
Hold it. 67. What's this, Marco? 67.
Good, Lucas.
Shoot that.
Good, Lee. Rebound. Rip it and run.
Find your man. Trey, you gotta go after that. It's loose. Rebound.
Come on, Keith.
Talk.
Travel.
Get back in the 1-3-1. Get back in the 1-3-1.
Hold it. Keon, slot. Trey, corner. Keith, corner. Marco, UCLA. Let's go.
Stay with him, Lucas.
Split the top. Let's go.
Yeah, Lucas, keep going. You got it, Lucas. Don't worry. You got help.
You see the corner? He's wide open.
There we go. Step up.
There you go, Trey.
Good.
Back. Get back.
Step up the other way.
No baseline.
Round. Get around, Peyton.
Rebound. Luka, come on. Keith, you got corner. Trey, you're splitting the top. Actually, you get other corners. Luka and Keon are up top. Luka, you got shooter. Keith, Marco, Seal. Rebound, box out. Slow it down. UCLA. Split the top defender.
Stay with him, Lucas.
Work it. That's our last pass. Cross pass is our last option. Look at our
Good,
post.
Chris.
Look at our post if it's not there, pass it.
Lucas, you got that. Get up on the ball, man. Get up on the ball.
Get it out.
Stay with number one, Lucas. Get there, Lucas. Hands up, Chris. Yeah, Chris. Run with Chris.
Just get your hands up.
Yeah, Lucas. There we go. Chris, back.
Slow down.
Good job, Chris. Get out of Lucas.
Attack Keon.
Up there, Lucas. Chris, hands up.
Marco, you gotta be ready for that. You have the basket.
That's a rebound. Yeah, you
Trey.
got
Get it, Trey.
Yes,
There you
go.
go.
Back.
Recovery.
Talk.
Down low, Chris.
Rebound.
Up there, Liam, get it there.
Keon, Marco, Keith. Stop jumping. Just box out.
Back, baby, spot. Let's go.
Luka, walk it up. Marco, look alive. Let's go. Look at opposite corner. Look at Trey.
Oh, let go, Lucas. Good. Okay, Chris, good choice. Lucas, that's you, Lucas.
Work it. Look at Luka. Hit him. Be patient. You'll find it.
Hands up, Chris. Oh, lucky man.
Rebound. Come on, Marco. Finish that. Look at Marco. Too late. Let's go. Work it. Look at Jay.
Head.
That's our ball.
Sub. Lucas.
Get Luka. Hurry up. Sub.
Jack's
You got
gonna be
corner.
up top.
You got
Jack's
corner.
up top.
Okay? Trey, you got up top with Luka. Ryan,
Come to the
you got
paint for
corner.
South. Leah, go screening. Chris, you down low. Leah, go screening.
Talk. Good, Marco. Who's up there? Box out.
41.
Who's got shooter? Sean, you ready? Who's got shooter?
Flying all over the place, guys. Flying all over the place. Suck it up.
Get it. What corner did you have? Ryan, you're in that corner.
Jack, you're on the ball.
Trey, you're on top. Sean, here.
Let's go, Jack.
In and out. Corners, in and out.
There you go.
Hands up, Jack. Come on the ball, Jack. There you go.
Get up.
Move with him, please. Move. Here we go. Hey, Jack. Brent, 35.
Let's go, guys. Play. Let's go. We got 13 minutes. Sub. You got up top. With Keon, Luka. Weak pass. That's a weak pass. You saw it come. And then you come down. I constantly tell you, you're lowering your shoulders.
Come on, Keith. Good. Go. All the way. There you go, Ryan. Go. There you go, Ryan.
Talk. Why aren't we in, Sean? Who's 2 passes away? Marco? Talk. Let's go.
Not doing the same thing that you get a catch.
Hands up, Marco. One hand up. Where's his help?
There's no scouts here, Nate.
Get back. Come on, Sean, Ryan. In and out, especially opposite. Balls on the opposite slot.
Let's go, Jack.
Keon, look for the opposite cutter.
The mom got up
There it is. I told you.
stance, she starts getting defense.
Guys.
And got in stance. And
Luka.
just slapped it.
I'd rather that than
Come on, Sean, nice and easy. Come on, shoot. That's what I said.
all right, Sean. Get the net. Come on, shoot. Iowa. Okay, Iowa. Ryan, you're back. Actually, Ryan, you're up here.
Hopefully that's good on the tape.
Back, find your man.
Hands up. Nice job.
4-3.
So I need to start back. I think the hardest part about this game is staying on the Right? No more turnovers. No more. One more turnover. Okay? You got 2. Got 2.
Come in, Blue.
The hardest part of that though.
I'm waiting for
Yeah.
All right. Good.
my 9th grade.
One minute.
Be patient. Let's go.
Follow him. Rebound. Stop. Get back. Let's go. Help out. Got painted.
Find your man. Find your man. I don't hear you talking.
Nice job. Let's play, Peyton.
Walk it up. Walk it up.
Downhill, Peyton. Good job.
30
Who's up top?
seconds.
Who's up top?
Hit him high. Hit him
Jack's
now.
on the wing. Move, Chris, down low. Get there, get there, get there, get there. Rotate, rotate.
Keon. Find your man. Find your man. Hey, we hit it out.
So, is this who I didn't see it, but I think it would have passed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Keon, on the make, take it out and throw it. Marco, book down the court. Wait, time it. Catch it in transition. Catch it in transition. Wait, wait. Go, run, run, throw it, throw it. Shoot that, Marco, shoot it.
2, 1.
Oh!
Go.
I just want to point out one certain thing, right? So I said, throw it. Does it make, no one did it, you guys did fine, but I have them teaching me so game scenarios, right? So we know. Does it make more sense?
I'm trying to get you done. I'm trying to. Where we have a time?
Does a receiver stand in the end zone?
36.
Okay,
It's not terrible.
I'm not saying that's great.
no, you know, I'm not gonna you inspired me the last game, so I wanted to get to like 45 minutes. Exactly.
Who was just in?
Yeah, blue coming in, guys. Blue coming in.
Back when it used to be 8th
Great. Ryan. Okay, bring it in. Let's go. Bring it in.
Team on three. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, come here. Come here. I want you guys to hard. We got this. Make it hard. Make it rough. Let's go, Ryan. Great job.
Yeah, we didn't see it. I just remember I was over there, and we were starting the second quarter, and this game was still going, and I knew I was going to get switched. I was like, I was kind of mad, you know, like 5 minutes till 10:30.
Talk!
Yeah, it's like, no,
Get it out! Get it out!
yeah.
Luca!
Lucas, swinging around, man. No contested threes. No contested.
Look at Keon.
Yeah, here.
Luca, you know you caught it out of bounds on the bounce, right? You gotta be observant.
We had 20 points.
Get up there, Peyton. Get up there. Hit it to the wrist.
Get back in.
Peyton, hit the wrist. Move the feet, Peyton. Drop it. Good job. Good job.
Marco,
Hey,
you saw him. Well,
Peyton, take some
Mine's
risks.
just passing.
Good job to take the risk.
Talk! Get in the path line. What are we doing? Iowa.
Yeah, he's been doing it even longer than me.
Good shot. Go!
He doesn't even score anymore. He just kind of stands around.
Get it back. Get it back. Look up.
You're back.
Good source of income while he's looking for a job.
No baseline. No baseline. Rebound.
Finish my first year of college.
Right up, right up.
It was fun.
Keon, put it in the pocket and hold it. Let's go.
I did it in high school to get stronger and faster. I messed up my ankle so bad I can't even jump anymore. My whole thing was I was the same size, same everything. So I was always pretty good. I was like
Iowa.
pretty good.
Iowa. Go.
Destroyed my ankle.
Right here, Sean. Why are you on that side of the court?
That's my whole aim. I was so big I never had to learn how to
Sean, why are you all up here?
sit in paint. And
Go, Keon, push!
It wasn't like I like lost the ability to play in college. It was more just like I know I wouldn't
Be patient, let's
I'd
go.
rather just enjoy it.
Watch your back.
Because
Watch your
even
back.
wherever I would have played, I knew I wouldn't have been playing after college. So I was like, why not try something?
Keon, you could grab that.
Yeah.
Sean, in Iowa, why are you all the way up here?
It's also not as, you know, time
He had nowhere to
consuming as
rest. He
basketball
was
would be. So,
Sean, in Iowa, why are you all the way up here? Huh? Okay, get Sean.
41 has 3, coach.
What's that?
41 has 3.
Blue ball! Blue ball! Blue ball!
Good steal before. In Iowa, where are you supposed to be? If you're all the way up here without something, that means no
They were
one.
like shocked. Counting them with how many timeouts and how many fouls they had. It was like,
Talk!
Give me a ball.
Talk!
Doing a good job.
Talk! I don't hear you, Trey.
Grab that rebound! Come back! Get back!
Sometimes you have kids that are like younger than these kids in the games. You know?
Go, Ryan.
Here, they're just down.
Go, Keon, go.
I know I told you.
Ryan, corner. Pull it out. Get it to a guard.
On
Go
the
to the
first
corner.
day, you know, sometimes it tears up. But from the ropes. And after the first game, he was like, can I go play on the playground? Like, I want some ice cream. I was like, you obviously don't want to be here. Just go and I'll do it.
Hey, you got a wing.
Was it Quinn?
I think so.
Too low.
It was either that or Amaroon.
Oh, Emerald. He was really annoying too.
Robbie's
He
in
would
the
just
middle.
sit
Leaves
here
is
like
back. Robbie,
he would get
Robbie,
ice
go to
cream and
middle.
just sit there
Leaves
on
back.
his phone like
Back.
talking about like Snapchat.
I
Like
definitely
girls.
will reach out to him to come back.
Come on, Marco. We need this. Let's go.
I don't remember Quinn. Is Quinn like the like?
Liam's back. You're in the middle.
Like looks as Irish. He looks as Irish as possible. His name is Jack.
No.
Maybe it was. It's like Quinn like Lowry or something like that. What's his last name?
Quinn is McCarthy.
It was McCarthy. Yeah, then it was him.
Luka, that rebound was there for you. It literally bounced right there.
He also.
Guys, what happened St. John's make or miss? Trey, what happened to that? What happened? Didn't I say make or miss? Timeout, ref, timeout, timeout. Let's go, sit down. I got one more, right?
Yeah.
Sit down, everybody sit down.
Yeah.
Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. I say
Wait, one team, I was like, yo, my boys, go my boys. They're like making up plays.
came here.
They're just yelling their names.
They came here.
Get to the half.
They almost done that right?
Yeah.
If we walked
This
away
one.
right now, I'd be like,
Oh, I think they just called it the end. That one's
get out.
they've been beat bad all night. Yeah.
Yes.
Ask them because they're not listening.
You guys want to win?
Yes.
You need to go out there and you don't look like you're ready. When you see that ball bounce in front of you, you gotta go get it. You gotta go get it. You gotta go get it. I don't want you guys to right now on defense. I don't want defense. Yes, so quick you foul out. Go, let's go.
Team on three.
1, 2, 3. Listen.
You know, maybe number 7's not so good.
Let's go. We got 5 minutes to go. Let's go.
My coach tried it in a high school game. They didn't go too well. The playoff game was trying to put someone else behind. I think I wound up hitting it.
Good, Luka. Be smart with it. Be smart with it. Let's go. Let's go. UCLA. Where are you, Marco?
Peyton, you're on the other side. Peyton, you're on the other side. Peyton, you're on the other side.
Come on. Up with that.
You're right at the basket.
He's not ready for that pass.
Talk!
On the ground, guys.
Marco,
He has 4 coaches.
power dribble, and then you toss it at him. Talk!
35 has 4 coaches.
Who's 35? Oh, with the bandana.
Right.
Oh,
get fouled out.
All right, there.
Don't move, Christopher.
Talk. Good defense, Ryan. Box out. No baseline. Marco, force to the middle. Grab it. Help him.
Go.
Follow him.
Go to him.
Iowa. Ryan back. Don't bail. Marco and Ryan communicate. Ryan.
Be a pass.
Good, Ryan. Look up.
No! Get back! Woo! Back on defense!
Keon, take it. You got the whole side. Too late. UCLA.
Oh, Lucas, you got it, Lucas.
Hit it, Luka.
Tag it, Lucas.
Luka, stop dribbling. Let's go.
Box out! Chris, box out!
Grab it, Trey.
Grab that, Liam! Go!
Go get me one. Marco and Ryan communicate. Watch the one pass.
Pass. Luka.
There you go.
Who's that on?
Good D. Get back. Find your man. That was 35? Oh, I see.
Come on, Ryan.
Go, grab it!
That last foul was on 35? 35. He has 5. He's out.
Good job, Trent.
Oh, yeah, Trey.
No baseline, Sean.
Lock him up.
Good. Hands up, Keon. Force to the middle. No baseline. Force to the middle. No baseline. No left. No right, Luka. No right. Force to the middle. You got help. Go, Luka. Get it. Good, Ryan.
Yeah, Ryan.
Ryan, get back. Leave it. Luka, take it out. Ryan, find a corner. Sean. Hit him now. Opposite roll. Hit him. You gotta be quick with that reverse.
Right back, Lucas.
One more. Get that.
Stop waiting for it, man. Come on.
Hit it. Rebound.
Grab it.
Go!
Here you go, Keon. Let's go with him.
1 minute.
Stop ball!
Come on, boys. We're down 3. Let's go. Let's get it.
Count. Come on. At least we don't count. Let's go.
You're not tired. Good shot, Keon. Let's go.
Chris and Liam, box!
St. John's, make or miss, full denial. On the make. Full denial.
Time out!
Let's go. Stand up.
Yeah, that was the Knicks.
Last time out left, guys. Both teams.
I like him. He's good. One coach there twice. Yeah. He was the assistant back in education when they won
Mike Brown?
Yeah, Mike Brown. He was on. I thought he was good in Sacramento. Fired for no reason.
They had a young team, no real expectation, so I mean, should have kept it.
Yeah. He's a winning coach, though. I like it. I thought they were going to get, like, someone random.
I mean, well, I thought it'd be someone, I think
Michael Lowe.
someone who's, that you would think, right?
Yeah.
Here we go, Flo.
I like the moves they do. Yeah. I'm technically a Nets fan, obviously.
You gotta get him denied.
Yeah, because that was my first against Carter, back when they were in New Jersey. So.
Good, Sean! Get it again, except Iman, screen for him. Iman, screen for him. Give me screen for Lucas. For Robbie. Go, Robbie, look up!
I think the refs is tired of them.
Come on, Luka, hustle!
Get it.
Rebound!
Nobody behind you.
Back in a 1-3-1, careful!
I got one more, right?
Top reach! Move your feet, Lucas! Hit that, Luka, hit that! Up there, Robbie! Yeah! Time! Press break is Lucas! Come here! I heard him say it.
Guys, bring it in. Guys, bring it in.
Last time out.
Focus here. St. John's, full denial. Denial.
Devin?
What did the ref call?
Two of them.
I'm trying.
Do not let him listen to me. The two of us here, the two guys here.
Let's go.
Set a screen. Stay screener.
I know that's what I said. Chris.
They just lost the NBA Finals down there.
Let's go.
Who? Red team. Yeah, I might be very sad.
Chris.
Yeah. Oh, no, they finished.
30 seconds.
Good, Sean.
Screen for him, Liam, screen for him.
Good, Sean.
That's a travel.
Come on, Sean.
Liam, get up.
Talk. Rebound. Rebound.
Stop.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Time out.
3, 2,
Time out. Let's go. Bring it up.
He's going timeout.
Bring it in. Let's go.
Hustle.
Let's go. Listen up. Listen. Focus here. Listen up. Can you throw it long? How long? No. All right. This is what you want to shoot on this side.
except for the bullshit.
They can't even really. It's got to be a tip.
Yeah.
It's got to be a throw in, and it's got to be a tip. They can't even grab the ball. It's only this is Trent Tucker rule. 0-4.
Fouls continue.
Do they get timeout?
One timeout. Well, one additional, but he's at a timeout, so he has one left. So
He just called it.
yeah, so we give him one, and he would have two.
No, he called it last time.
Oh, way around. So he would get one, and
Right here.
yeah, okay, you're right. Yeah.
Keanu, come this way. Up the sideline. Don't go out of bounds. Go. Ready? Go. Wait. Come back, Ryan. Come back.
All right, no worries.
Wait,
Thank you.
Go to the middle. Go, set it. Throw it. Throw it, Marco. Throw it. Jump and throw.
Line up, go now. Let it do it.
Let's go. Same five. Come on, guys.
Stay on the court.
Stay with them with the intensity. Stay with them.
Stay on the court.
Come on, boys. You gotta get out there. Let's go.
You get one more timeout.
Oh, okay.
Red is going.
Same way, guys. Same way.
Guys, you're going the same way.
Let's go.
Go. Got this, Chris.
Guys, anticipate the blue tip. Marco, stay there. Stay there. Luca, stay in front. And Keon. Let him tip it. Keon, let him tip it. Marco, grab it. Good. Luka, look at Luka. Hit that, Luka.
Stay with him,
Too late,
stay
too
with
late.
him.
It's all right. Work it. Be patient.
Good, Iman.
Let him steal that.
Who's helping? Who's helping? Good job, Robbie. Good job, Robbie. Slow, give it up. Good. Take it, go.
Look up. Talk. Where's the help?
43.
Does anybody else have any?
The shooting. No, not on him. No, for the team.
Oh.
Is that 5 on the player?
No, he's shooting.
That's 5 team fouls.
Team fouls.
They roll over
He has
to
3.
overtime?
Yeah.
Really?
That's what he just told me. That's what the ref told me.
Guys, line up. What is it? 2 shots or 1-on-1? Two shots.
They play in,
Guys, relax.
high school now. Boys and girls.
Yeah.
1-on-1.
Yeah.
Ryan, you got shooter, okay?
Iman, Liam, switch.
Sean, Keon, pinch, squeeze.
You're fine.
Rebound, box out.
Up top.
Talk. Luka, lower. Luka, lower.
Like first one.
Where's the help? Force middle. Where's the help?
No, I'm saying like first one.
Come on, guys, step up. Let's go, Luka. Go get it. Dig in, Sean. Get low. Box out. Walk it up, Keon. Walk it up.
Chris, get back. Good. Lucas, get
1 minute.
UCLA. Let's go. Hit him high. Reverse it.
Right back. That's a rebound. Keon, Chris.
Back out.
Get it out.
Get down there. Get in there, Lee.
Time out.
All right.
Let's go. Good thing I called it.
Last time out, Red. Go.
Guys, let's go.
Watch the way with that. Everybody's playing fine. Stop that. Right? Spot. All right, that's the problem. Check it out. Okay, check it out. Here we go, Red. Careful with the ball. I want you to screen for him. All right, when he needs help. Try to press. Wait for the right. Be careful. Otherwise, what you want to stay.
Let's go.
3 on 3. 1, 2, 3, see.
Underneath.
You don't need to shut up.
Wait for it.
Get a ball. Get between a man and the basket, and then drop into it.
Wing, Keon, wing.
Good.
Go.
Run it out.
Get it.
Good, Lucas. Good.
Go
Lucas.
get
Good,
it.
Lucas, slow.
30
Get
seconds.
it.
Rebound.
No need.
Keon, get open. Move.
Find the spots, quick.
1A.
Find the spots.
Time out, ref. Time out.
They've
I got one.
Just use it.
Somebody get down low and get the rebound now.
10, 9, 8,
Foul.
7,
Foul.
6, 5.
Good rebound.
Ball.
Bro, he went.
How many timeouts?
Yeah, they started the overtime in the dome. That's a stupid rule.
Robbie, you right?
Come on, boys, let's go. Ryan, you ready? Sean, you ready? Guys, like we're setting up in UConn. Keon, take it out. Everybody start. Start below the free throw line. Throw it.
4, 3, 2,
Shoot it.
1.